Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your graphic settings in this game. So what you need to do first is tap this option. Tap the settings button. So the first option is the graphic setting. So if you're running this game on low gadget, you can tap the low one, like resolution getting low, frame rate also low, and no anti-aliasing, shadow, visual effect in low quality, and also standard. But if you want to make some customization, not all low, not all high, just go on customization. Like I want to a mid in resolution and 60 FPS with no, I don't need anti-alias, I don't need shadow also, and visual effect in low quality, and 3D quality in high, and dynamic resolution select low. So I think this is smooth to my smooth gameplay, smooth graphic in current or in my gadget. So feel free to adjust the graphics. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.